This is just incredible. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Alexey is here and welcome to another episode of Ballroom with Alexey. Today we're going to break down cha-cha, chassé, to the right and to the left. Let's do it. Woo! Alright guys, so now let's look closer into the chassé. Let's dance it slow with the count, okay? And 4 and 1. And again, 4 and 1. One more time, 4 and 1 and 4 and 1. Alright, so on 4 and part, this is the actual syncopation part. This is when we're doing half beat, right? So our goal to highlight this part and show the syncopation, right? So relax your hips, yeah, so make sure that they're not too tight. So, but still stay tall, all right? So we're making step on count 4 to the side, 4. Yeah, so you see on count 4, you have to right away, using your pendulum action, settle your hip over the standing foot. One more time, 4. And again, 4. Yes? So notice I'm not doing it too much because basically I don't have time to do that. And 4. Yeah, so I'm right here. So now on count and I'm collecting my free foot and replacing my weight into that foot. So, and. So when I'm collecting with this soft knee, bend knee, I'm pressing on my ball, and then I'm replacing by straightening my knee, right? So I'm straightening my knee, replacing my weight into the left foot, my heel supposed to go down, yes? So I am pressing down with the heel, and my hip moves into the opposite side, so now it's here. So from this position, I'm ready to make next step. 1. Yes. So 1 is the accent in the music. Boom. This is like the biggest accent, right? So 1 and 3, but 1 is even bigger than 3. So we have to show the difference between 4 and 1, right? So 4 and 1 should be a lot more stronger. So let's try it again. So we go 4 and 1, right? So I'm right away going to the side. Yes, with the hip a lot more settled than like, let's say on count 4, because I have time to move it further. All right, so now let's say I'm doing 2, 3, part of a basic movement. So I'm making step forward with my left, 2. So on 2, I'm making sure that I'm doing turn out with my foot. So I'm creating check. This is the check position, right? So I'm closing my thighs and my knee goes behind the knee, yes? And my back heel is turned in. Now on count 3, I'm transferring my weight back. 3. Yes, let's do that again. So we're doing here on 1, so we go forward. 2, check, 3, and again, 2, 3. From different side, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. All right, so on 3, my hip is settled, and I'm ready to go into the count 4 and, right? So let's do it. 4 and, replacing my weight, 1. Step to the side, yes? So I'm on and, making step 1, 1. And again, pendulum goes 1, right? 1. And with the twist in action, I'm collecting my foot. 2, step back and replace weight. 3. Now from here, I'm settling my hip on 3. And I'm making step cha, cha, cha. 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1. 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1. 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So now let's try highlight our 4 and count. Yeah, so we're gonna go 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1. Pa, pa. Wa, pa, wa. 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 Pa, pa. Awesome, good job. Da, 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 da. All right, guys, so before we'll be done, I want to share with you one more exercise for cha-cha. One of the most fundamental, most important exercise in cha-cha. So I want you to stay on your ball of the feet and just twist your pelvis from left to right. Pa, 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 pam, 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 pam. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So that's great. So then let's bend and straighten our feet. So let's do it. Sha, 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 sha. Pa, 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 pa. Ta, 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 ta. Yep. Woo, that's right. So the important part here is flexing and straightening our knees, right? So look, my knee goes back and my bending knee moves forward and like it goes a little bit across. So I am showing my sides, right? So that is a very important exercise for cha-cha. So let's say if we will do our CHASSE and then we'll do the time step. Yeah, so we'll do it like this. 4 and 1, and then we'll go 2, 3, right? So make sure that you twist in your pelvis very much. It's relaxed, it's not tensed, and your feet goes from one direction to another. All right, one more time. So we go cha cha 1, cha cha 1, cha cha 1, cha cha 1. So that exercise is going to be helpful for the hip twist chassé, rondé chassé, because it's a time step, of course, syncopated time step. So with twisting, we're developing movement with our like hip one direction and shoulders opposite direction. So we're creating contra body movement, right? So when one part goes back, but another part goes forward. And as well, of course, it's straightening and bending knees. All right, so let's do it last time. And ta, 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 hoop, 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 hop, hop, and ba, ba, hoop, hop, hop. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much. I hope you liked that video. If it was helpful, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, press like, and leave me a comment below. I will see you on next Thursday or maybe even earlier. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.